Baby Safety Checklist: Protecting your baby. When bringing home your new baby, there are so many things to do in order to get ready. Making your home a safe haven for your new little one is one of the most important things you will do to get ready. Each room contains its own set of dangers. Below is a baby safety checklist to ensure that every room in your house is baby-friendly. General safety tips. Place child-resistant covers on all electrical outlets. Install safety gates at the top and bottom of the stairs. Don't use baby walkers because they have been known to have caused serious injuries to babies. Use stationary exercisers instead. Keep all dangerous chemicals out of the reach of children. Shorten curtain and blind cords. Install smoke detectors on each floor of your home, especially near sleeping areas. Be sure to change the batteries each year. Keep all small objects away from young children. This includes tiny toys and balloons. Use corner bumpers on furniture and fireplace hearth edges. Know the names of all plants in case a child eats one of them. Be sure that furnaces, fireplaces, wood-burning stoves, space heaters, and all gas appliances are vented properly. Place screen barriers around fireplaces, radiators, and portable space heaters. Keep firearms and ammunition safely locked away. Secure unsteady furnishings. Check your house for lead and asbestos. If you detect either of these substances, contact a professional. Any house built before 1978 is at risk for lead paint. Protect your kids' rooms. Ensure that your crib meets national safety standards. Place guards on windows and stops on all doors. Make sure your baby's crib is sturdy and has no loose or missing hardware. Make sure that the mattress fits snugly. Be sure the crib sheet fits snugly. Never put stuffed animals or heavy blankets in the crib with your infant. Never leave your baby unattended on the changing table. Remove mobiles and other hanging toys from the crib as soon as your child can reach up and touch them. Place infants under 1 year of age on their backs to sleep. Mattress should be firm and flat with no soft bedding underneath. Following this advice will reduce the risk of suffocation and sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. Place night lights at least 3 feet away from the crib, bedding, and draperies to prevent fires. Check age labels for appropriate toys. Keep the bathroom safe. Put a lock on the medicine cabinet. Lower the household water temperature. It should be set at 120 degrees Fahrenheit or below to avoid burning your baby. Always test the water first before bathing a child. Never leave your child alone in the bathtub or near any water. Secure toilet lids. Many young children are fascinated by putting objects inside. Make sure that bathtubs and showers aren't slippery. Install ground fault circuit interrupters on outlets near sinks and bathtubs. For the kitchen, keep all knives, cleaning supplies, and plastic bags out of children's reach. If stove knobs are easily accessible to children, use protective covers to prevent kids from turning them. Never leave your baby alone in a high chair. Always use all safety straps. Replace any frayed cords and wires. Keep chairs and step stools away from counters and the stove. Remove all household cleaners from the bottom cabinets or put them in a cabinet that is out of your baby's reach. In the yard, store tools, garden, lawn equipment, and supplies in a locked closet or shed. Don't use a power mower when young children are around. Don't allow children to play on a treated lawn for at least 48 hours following an application of a fertilizer or pesticide. Know the types of trees and plant life on the property in case children ingest berries, leaves, or other plant life. If you have a swimming pool, install a fence that separates the house from the pool. Make sure that the gate is childproof.